All right, so what if I told you that you could turn your passion for baking New York style oversized cookies into a $4,500 a month business? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm actually going to show you the step-by-step plan to bake your way to success of $4,500 a month. No experience is needed. Stick around to learn how you could do 1,500 cookies a month and make your cookie business a sweet success. I'm going to show you the exact following steps. Number one, setting your cookie pricing. Number two, determine your sales volume needed to reach your goal. Number three, the sales channels and strategies in those sales channels in order for you to reach this goal. Number four, marketing and promotion. And number five, diversifying your offerings by a variety of cookies. And last but not least, monitor and adjust based on your growth. Now, I've been in the business of selling cookies for nearly 14 years, and my commercial kitchen, which is right behind my YouTube studio, I want to show you the steps that have taken me from 0 to 1.8 million in sales just on Amazon alone. And we've been on Etsy, eBay for over a decade each. For one, you want to set your cookie pricing. So cost per cookie, let's get into that. Start by calculating your cost per cookie, including ingredients, packaging, labor, and overhead, okay? Now, let's assume for each cookie cost you around, let's say, $2 to make. We're going to move forward with that as an example as we talk about this. The selling price per cookie? Well, based on your market research, you decide to sell each cookie, oversized cookie, for around $5. That leaves you with at least $3 profit per cookie. Now, your target profit margin, if you want to aim for a profit margin of at least 60 to 70%. Now, if each cookie costs you around $2 to make and you're selling it for $5, you're left with a very healthy $3 profit per cookie. Now, let's determine, though, the sales volume. Number two, determine that sales volume. Now, your monthly sales goal is to try to reach $4,500 in profit. Now, you need to make and sell enough cookies to cover that goal. And if you did, each cookie profit per $3, you want to take that and divide it by your target monthly income by the amount. Now, $4,500 divided by $3, you're looking at around 1,500 cookies per month. Now, before you stop and say, well, 1,500 cookies, Damien, how could you possibly make that many cookies and sell them? Well, you actually can. And I'm going to give you a couple tips and tricks on how to make even more money per transaction in just a moment. Now, cookies per day, if you're selling at least 1,500 cookies per month, you'll need to sell about 50 cookies per day, assuming that you're operating around 30 days a month. So take 1,500 divided by 30. That's the equation that gives you 50 cookies. Now stick with me because I'm about to tell you how you can sell even more than 50 per day. Number three is your sales channels and strategy. Online stores. Let's start with that right off the bat. Potentially e-commerce is a big opportunity. You can sell directly through e-commerce websites, platforms like, let's say, Etsy, Amazon, Walmart.com even, or food-specific marketplaces. Assuming that you price each cookie at $5, you need to generate enough traffic to sell 50 cookies a day. Now, you could achieve this through even potentially paid ads or social media posts or even organic SEO. Now, the next one is something that's really quick and local. It's farmers markets or pop-up events. Now, participating in local markets or even events at a market, you can typically sell anywhere from 50 to 100 cookies or more per day, depending on the foot traffic from that specific market or that event. Now, selling at these events, though, could boost your sales and brand awareness very quickly. Now, the third one, this is the one that gets a lot of people and they don't think much about it, but wholesale orders. Now, you want to consider approaching cafes, restaurants, or even local stores to stock your cookies. A wholesale deal could actually lead to huge bulk orders, helping you meet your sales target even faster. For example, if a cafe orders, let's say, 200 cookies in a month, that's 200 cookies at one single account towards your goal. And number four, let's talk a little bit about marketing and promotion. You don't need a degree in marketing to figure this out. Social media is definitely the way to go right off the bat. I've got two more ideas coming, so stick with me to the end. Leverage platforms like Instagram and TikTok, Facebook to showcase your cookies. Regular posts on a consistent basis, even just photos or simple videos of how you make the cookies. Attract customers and they love to watch the backstory. Build a loyal following. Now, you can also run targeted ads as well to reach cookie lovers on those Facebook groups or Facebook platforms, even TikTok. Even Instagram has also additional ads available. Email marketing. This is the one a lot of people don't think much about anymore, but it does work. Every time you go to a local event, try to get an email list put together of customers who have bought from you. You can create subscription or even loyalty programs to keep your customers coming back. You can offer them promotions or discounts specifically for email subscribers, or even sneak peeks at new flavors that may be coming up to encourage repeat customers. Now, influencers and local collaborations. You want to partner with influencers, food bloggers, even local event organizers to promote your cookies at as many events as possible. A positive review or even a shout out can increase your sales and help spread the word about your product. Number 5, this is how you diversify your offerings. This is really important. Flavor and variations. Now, adding limited time or even seasonal cookies flavors to keep your offerings fresh and exciting. For example, during the holiday season, things like obviously pumpkin spice, gingerbread cookies, or those flavor profiles built into your cookies can easily turn over a lot of cookies fast. Cookie bundles. This is where you can make a lot more money with fewer transactions. Offer cookie bundles, even gift sets, especially during holidays, to increase your average order value. This is where you can turn over more cookies and reach that $4,500 goal. A gift set of $15, let's say even 3 cookies, can encourage larger purchases or even gift boxes for people to give. And number 6, probably one of the most important aspects of running the business side of this, monitor and adjust. Now, track your progress. Regularly check your sales, profit margins, and customer feedback. Use this data to adjust your marketing efforts or tweak your product offerings. Adjust based on results. This is interesting as well, because if you find that certain channels or even flavors are performing better than others, shift your focus to those areas. For example, if Instagram ads are generating more sales than Etsy, well, you can allocate more budget for your Instagram and pull it away from Etsy. If you happen to be on Amazon or maybe Walmart, maybe Google ads might be better. So this is a 6-step program that would help you launch a cookie business that would allow you to sell $4,500 a month. Now, example breakdown, selling price per cookie, let's say $5. Your cost per cookie is around $2. That gives you a profit of $3. Okay, so target profit is $4,500 per month. Cookies needed to sell around 1,500. How many cookies per day? 50. So by consistently selling around 50 cookies on average, strategically promoting your business and such, you'll be on track to reach that $4,500 a month goal. It is not unheard of. I've actually heard of these cookies going for between $8 and even $9 and $10 each. So $5 is pretty low markup, and you can make even more if you go up.